Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm your guide to making investing simple and straightforward. Today, we're diving into how to buy stocks on Robinhood, a platform that's perfect for beginners looking to get started in the stock market without hefty fees. Whether you're aiming to invest in tech giants like Apple or up-and-coming startups, Robinhood makes it accessible and easy. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to download the Robinhood app from your phone's app store and create an account. It's free to sign up, but you'll have to verify your identity with some basic info like your social security number and link a bank account. This step is crucial for security, so don't skip it. Once you're all set up, the next step is funding your account. You can transfer money from your bank or even link a debit card. Start small, maybe with $50 or $100 to get a feel for things without risking too much. Remember, investing always carries risks, so only use money you can afford to lose. Now, onto the fun part, buying stocks. Open the app and use the search bar to find the stock you're interested in. Robinhood has a user-friendly interface with real-time data, so you can check stock prices, charts, and news articles right there. Once you've picked a stock, tap on it and hit the Trade button. When placing your order, you'll choose between a market order, which buys at the current price, or a limit order, where you set your maximum price. Double-check everything before confirming. It's easy to make a mistake when you're excited. After you buy, keep an eye on your portfolio through the app's dashboard. A few quick tips. Always do your research before buying, don't just follow trends. Diversify your investments to spread out risk, and be mindful of market hours. Trading is typically available from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Robinhood also offers fractional shares, so you can buy a piece of a high-priced stock like Amazon without needing thousands of dollars. There you have it. You're now equipped to start buying stocks on Robinhood. Investing can be thrilling, but it's all about patience and education. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's build wealth together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.